Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Layered Brownies is probably one of the most decadent and satisfying keto-friendly treats you can find, offering a rich chocolatey experience without the guilt of traditional desserts, making it a perfect indulgence for anyone following a low-carb lifestyle or simply looking for a healthier alternative to satisfy their sweet cravings. Number 5. Rip Van Wafels Dutch Caramel and Vanilla Stroopwafels. Experience the authentic taste of Dutch Stroopwafels. Enjoy the rich caramel and vanilla flavors in every bite. Looking for a healthier snack option? These are made with non-GMO ingredients and are low in calories and sugar. Indulge your sweet tooth without the guilt. With only 3 g of sugar, they offer a satisfyingly sweet treat. Elevate your workday with these delicious treats. They are the perfect pick-me-up for your office snack drawer. Enjoy a delightful snack that fits your lifestyle. They are keto-friendly, making them a great choice for low-carb diets. This pack comes with 12 individually wrapped Stroopwafels. They are perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week. What we like? Experience the classic Dutch treat with a healthier twist. These are perfect for those who love traditional flavors but are mindful of sugar intake. If you are looking for a satisfying snack that fits a keto lifestyle, these are a great choice. What people say. I love that they are not just lower in sugar, but that they are higher in fiber, and although I typically avoid dairy, I like the ingredients in these. The ingredients are all things that you know and can pronounce. This is a low-sugar cookie that is moist and delicious. Great for diabetics or anybody on a low-sugar diet. Number 4. Rip Van Dark Chocolate Wafer Cookies. Discover a delicious treat that aligns with your healthy lifestyle. These wafer cookies offer a satisfying chocolate flavor without the sugar rush. Perfect for those following a keto or low-carb diet. Enjoy a sweet snack that keeps you on track with your nutritional goals. Made with carefully selected ingredients, these cookies are non-GMO and vegan-friendly. A snack you can feel good about enjoying. Satisfy your sweet cravings with only 2 g of sugar and low calories per serving. It's the smart choice for mindful snacking. Each pack contains 16 individually wrapped wafer cookies. They are perfect for on-the-go, lunchboxes, or keeping at your desk for a quick pick-me-up. Experience the decadent taste of dark chocolate in every crispy bite. It's a delightful way to enjoy a classic flavor combination. What we like? Indulge in rich dark chocolate without the guilt. These cookies are designed for those seeking a decadent treat that is both vegan and low in carbohydrates. If you're a chocolate lover following a keto or low-carb diet, you'll want to grab these. What people say. It's very tasty and it satisfies me. It doesn't throw me off my keto diet, and the box comes with plenty. The texture is soft on the inside and crunchy outside. These taste great. Crispy with a great dark chocolate filling. Also, because it's sweetened with monk fruit and other natural sweeteners, not cane sugar or fructose, it doesn't spike blood sugar levels. Great cookie cracker when needing a little snack. And such low sugar content, there is no guilt involved. Easy for me to keep one in my bag for when out longer than expected and need a guilt-free snack. Number 3. Rip Van Wafels Cookies and Cream Stroopwafels. Satisfy your cravings with a delightful treat. These cookies and cream Stroopwafels offer a delicious way to enjoy a sweet snack. Enjoy a snack that aligns with your wellness goals. They are made with non-GMO ingredients for guilt-free enjoyment. Looking for a keto-friendly option? These Stroopwafels fit perfectly into your low-carb lifestyle without compromising on taste. Elevate your workday with a convenient and tasty snack. They are ideal for keeping at your desk for a quick pick-me-up. Indulge wisely with only 3 g of sugar and a low-calorie count. Enjoy the satisfying flavor without the guilt. Get a pack of 12 individually wrapped Stroopwafels. They are perfect for sharing or keeping on hand for whenever a craving strikes. What we like? Enjoy the popular cookies and cream flavor in a keto-friendly format. These offer a delightful twist on a classic, with significantly less sugar. If you crave familiar dessert tastes while staying keto, these are an excellent option. What people say. This is a great low-sugar sweet treat to satisfy those cravings. I love the low sugar, high-fiber chocolate as well as the caramel Stroopwafels as a fantastic alternative to the regular full-sugar ones. They taste the same, without the aftertaste of artificial sweeteners or sugar alcohols. So chocolatey and perfect. Staying healthy to me is really important, but so is taste. I'm not one to tolerate a gross taste just because something is healthier. With these I don't have to. Number 2. Boxiki Kitchen 8x8 Non-Stick Square Baking Pan. Introducing our premium non-stick square baking pan. Its heavy-gauge steel ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked results every time. Enjoy effortless food release thanks to the high-quality non-stick surface. Cleanup is a breeze, and it's even dishwasher safe. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features wide handles with secure, textured silicone grips. This ensures a firm and comfortable hold, even when wearing oven mitts. The convenient 8x8-inch square shape is perfect for a wide variety of recipes, from cakes to casseroles. Let your culinary creativity flow. This pan is ergonomically designed for durability and ease of use. The non-stick steel construction and comfortable handles make baking a pleasure. We're confident you'll love this baking pan. It comes with a 90-day warranty, so you can shop with complete peace of mind. What we like? Bake with confidence using this durable, non-stick steel pan. Its even heat distribution ensures perfect results every time, and the easy grip handles make it safe and convenient. If you're a home baker who values reliability and ease of use, this pan is a must-have for your kitchen. What people say. The material is sturdy and the pan is well made. I love the fact that it is dishwasher safe and does not rust. I also like the fact that it has handles making it easier to take out of the oven. This is a handy, non-stick pan good for many things. The pan heats evenly, great non-stick as cake lifts out of the pan very easily. Best of all, I place it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. It is very sturdy and well made. It will last for years. It's also stick-free, which is a must. I love the handles, which make it so easy to take out of the oven without any problems. Number 1. Miss Jones Baking Almond Flour Brownie Mix, 2-pack. Indulge in rich, decadent brownies without the guilt. Our mix makes it easy to create a delightful treat everyone can enjoy. Perfect for your low-carb lifestyle, these brownies fit seamlessly into your keto, diabetic, or Atkins diet. Enjoy a sweet treat that aligns with your goals. Crafted with almond flour, this mix is completely gluten-free. You get all the classic brownie flavor and texture, minus the gluten. We use natural sweeteners to achieve a perfect sweetness without any added sugar. It's a healthier way to satisfy your sweet cravings. Whether you're following a paleo lifestyle or tracking with WW, our brownie mix is a versatile choice. Enjoy a delicious dessert that suits various dietary needs. This convenient pack comes with 2 boxes, ensuring you have plenty to share or to keep for yourself. Bake up a storm with this easy-to-use mix. What we like? Create delicious, guilt-free brownies with this specially formulated mix. It uses almond flour and no added sugar, making it ideal for keto and gluten-free diets. If you're looking for a convenient way to make low-carb, naturally sweetened treats, this mix is perfect for you. What people say. They came out very nicely. I was watching them closely and, probably because I have a convection oven, they did not require the full cooking time. Absolutely perfect, deep chocolate, gooey texture, easy to make. We love them cold. These turned out great. Since I have a low-fat, plant-based diet, I made them with 2 tablespoons of refined coconut oil, some flax milk and flax eggs, and they turned out awesome. These brownies are so chocolatey and indulgent, it's hard to believe it's something that I can actually have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.